can go this way or not, you guys. Looks like the trucks are running. I don't know how, but I see tracks. Let's go up the main road. Looks like Dad might have to start growing rice. And well, at least it's a good day to wash some sand. What's up, Keith? Get a little extra washing today. I seriously doubt though we're gonna sell much sand and a whole lot of concrete being poured today or even this week. They're calling for even more rain tomorrow, so I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do for Trashy Tuesday. Got some beautiful sand though. Man, I love the color of that stuff. That is gorgeous. And with the additional 3.5 inches of rain, it's super clean. Well, what do you know? They are still moving dirt. I don't know for how long or how they're even moving it as we speak. I guess since they're down there in that sand, they're able to get a little bit of traction. But man, down there at the dump spot, as you saw, was just a horrible, horrible mess. No way we would have made it through there, even though we're driving a Ford. And not a lot going on at Gringo either, as you can imagine. Oh, a little update too. Mark texted me this morning and said the demo's not happening this week due to the weather. It's gonna come on the 28th of this month. So that'll be okay because it's just way too wet to try to do anything with it now. That way we can get a compost built up, get all the material stockpile that we need for that blending machine that I mentioned to you in the last video. So a little delay there, but what can you do? Oh boy, fun. We got a pond in the landfill. Hey, we got a truck coming in too. Let's see how this goes. So the guys have obviously coned off the area where we're having a mud bog. So gotta go on the perimeter to stay on some decently hard ground. Sorry, Jackson. Jackson washed my truck for me recently, and well, the rain will finish washing it on off. Pretty slow, as you can imagine, in the landfill today. We got both compactors just kind of rolling the trash in a little bit, but not a lot of trucks coming in because it is just an absolutely miserable day. Better not stop, buddy. Keep it going. Get back on that trash. Oh, man. Look at this mess, y'all. Oh, I'm about to slip. Goodness gracious. How we doing on this beautiful day?
I was fixing to ask you the same thing.
Good day to be a duck.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, for sure.
Wow. We got some rain, didn't we?
We sure did. I think, believe it or not, I really thought it'd be a lot worse in here.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, it's not bad. The good thing is we got so much sand out here. It perks real good, you know, and
yeah,
we still got a little bit of a mud bog, but
yeah, you got to get through the mud bog. It's a little bit more solid right here.
yeah, you did good. I was like, don't stop. So this is one of our upstream compactor boxes. These compactor boxes have a unit that attaches right here and presses the material into the container, just saving the customer a few more dumps versus a regular roll off. Oh boy, here comes some more trucks. We better have some fun. What can I do to help you, bud? Anything?
No, it's all good. I appreciate it.
All right. Where's this one coming from?
This is coming from off of Martin Griffin Road.
Okay.
This is where this one comes from.
I got you.
I got one more coming back from there too.
Okay.
Another compactor.
Look at all that cardboard. Good gracious. So this comes from a local golf cart manufacturer. I guess they manufacture the whole golf carts. I'm not really sure, but us being Augusta, home of the Masters Golf Tournament, we've got a couple of golf cart companies here locally. I heard Antonio's compactor's still skipping. So I don't know if they changed the filter or not, but I know a lot of you guys commented sounded like an injector, and I agree with you. Man, at the cardboard though. But you see all that plastic and other crap mixed in with it, it would take forever to go sort through this material, and it simply ain't worth it, unfortunately. We got to figure out some kind of way to get government to help us, you know, make this material more valuable so we don't have to use raw materials, and then we could afford to go through it and dig through it and separate it out. But until then, it's just gonna keep getting buried. Let's see, I can't tell. Oh, don't get stuck. Go, boy, go. Oh, better get that box down, man. He is dragging some mud. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, crap. It's gonna be all day today. All day long, I'm sure. Yeah, he's stuck. You ain't going nowhere, buddy. You done stopped. Once you stop, you don't go. Dave's gonna have to give him a little love tap. Hang on, Bubba. Gonna be a lot of that today. They had to pull up and find him another hole. Matter of fact, I probably better, oh man, try to get out of the way. Now I got myself stuck. There you go. Get a running start, Bubba. Come on back. Come on back. There you go. Don't stop. Don't stop. Beautiful. Oh, this one's got the chain on the opposite side of the box. Oh man. We having fun yet, buddy?
Always, always.
Got another one coming back. Yeah, I think as long as we stay on this side, we'll be okay. Over there in the middle though, as y'all saw, it is just a slippery mess. What you got for us today?
Remodel.
Remodel, okay. Yep. There's all the molding. Good gracious, at the molding. I had some molding in that house, didn't I? What's up, buddy? No, a little wet. Yeah. Still skipping. Whoa. All right, don't look away anymore, Ryan. That nearly slapped me right in the head. Keep it going, boy. You gotta let that bed down and keep rolling. Yeah, just trying to look at that compactor. That thing's a whoop. Almost smacked me right in the nose. That would have just add insult to injury today, wouldn't it? Here comes David in the Hyundai 160 to kind of pick through some of the loads, see what kind of metal we got. He's probably going to grab that mattress out too, I would assume. We'll throw that to the side. When we bring our shredder back over here, we can shreds it. A little bit of metal in here too, though. Go ahead, I'm good. Need me to push on it?
Yeah. Hey. I got it. Thank you.
What you got for us today? Oh, all kind of junk. Watch that bag, I think it's fixing to go. It's slowly creeping out. Is it gonna go? Yep. This comes from a fiber manufacturer. So all those cardboard rolls, they wrap this fiber type felt almost material around it. I'm not exactly sure what the fiber what it's like its final use is, but I know this company, that's all the hot melted stuff, I guess, as they're making the polyethylene or whatever kind of material it is. Big bulky junk though. We need our shredder around here, don't we? Oh, everybody's gonna have muddy boots today. All right, Ryan, pay attention. Those cardboard cores, they are tough as nails, believe it or not. Right, here's some Cruncho Vision loads. Got some pallets coming in with this red box with the poop tank up there attached to it. Let's help him out if we can. Hope he don't get stuck. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, I hate it, buddy, but you're gonna have to come back if you can. Yeah, he ain't getting no traction. There it goes. Good, 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 good. See if we can make it out. I don't know. Yeah, I think he's gonna make it. Don't stop, dude. There you go. Good job, buddy. If you're new to the channel, this Hyundai 160 has got a genset on the back of it. So this whole bucket apparatus right here is one big magnet. So David, the fellow that runs it's got a button inside. He can turn the magnet on and off. Super handy little tool. Watch, he'll turn that magnet on, metal just jumps on it, and we really get a lot of metal out of landfill with that machine.
I left my house this morning, Saturday afternoon to this morning, we had 6 inches of 17.
Really? I checked my rain gauge this morning. I had 3.5 at the house. But it could have been a little wrong because the rain gauge is up close to the house. So it could have blocked a little bit, but we've got the rain, dude. It is nasty.
Between Friday and today, it'll be, tomorrow morning will be real bad.
I know. We can handle it. All right, buddy, see ya. Starting to come down again, y'all. I don't know, all this rain is pushing up from Florida, and it's just a huge like tropic flow just steadily coming up from the south. It just won't quit. Here's some of the fiber scraps that came out of that load. Almost looks like that sea glass that me and Jackson saw out there at Glass Beach in California, don't it? Push it, Daniel. All right, let me get out of the way. I'm not trying to get hurt today, but everywhere I keep standing, I'm like a magnet. Stuff just keeps coming for me. We get some good compaction today. Whenever we get all this rain, it just helps saturate all the trash, and then when those big old chopper wheels come across it, it just helps really pack it in, as you can tell right there. But it's gonna be a slow day for the guys today. They're just gonna have to. Antonio can sit there and listen to some Bob Marley, and David's probably over there playing on TikTok waiting on more metal to come in. But he got a daggone pile of metal just over the past couple days, and Daniel is gonna push the loads, and that's gonna be the rainy day saga here at Williams Landfill, y'all. Well, I think I'm gonna go edit some videos and get them kicked out for you guys this week. I sure appreciate you watching. Hope you're staying dry somewhere. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. Consider subscribing if you hadn't already. I'll see you on the next one.